here. This is the room, because we did get to our room. Next time we're going to do New Year's Eve. Next time we're going to do the New Year's Eve dinner. Next time we'll do all that stuff. But this is our room. This is our room. We were in a spa balcony room. We're in a spa balcony room. And I really like the spa on the breeze, so I decided to do a spa balcony room on the Vista, right? And so I'll do a review of the spa later, but the room was nice. The room was really nice. It's my first time in a balcony room, my very first time in a balcony room. I've stayed in an inside room, an outside room, a suite, and even the grand suite. Never stayed in just a regular balcony room. Quite roomy, plenty of room to spread out, especially for my son and I. The balcony, as always, is nice. Anybody who's ever been in a balcony knows it is nice. It's great to have it. Bathroom, same size as anytime. Closet, same size as anytime. You can see here a video I did, kind of, going in a circle of the room. I'll post that real quick here. I'll shut up and we'll roll that.
Hi, I'm Jason Sterling. Here I am on the Carnival Vista in a spa balcony room. This is the room behind me as I do a quick turn here. That's my son watching a little video. And finally, we're on board. It is just past 5 o'clock. But hey, it's just past 5 o'clock and I already had one drink and completed my muster drill. So I feel like I have accomplished a lot for New Year's Eve already. It has been an odyssey today, but we got on board. This is spa balcony room. You'll see another video of me kind of walking through it here on the side, and I'll post some still shots as well. My son and I are getting ready to go down to guest services, see if we can figure out what's wrong with my logging into the Hub app. It's not recognizing our folio numbers, and see if we can get that sorted out. And then, do you want anything to eat? Maybe something to eat. Maybe something to eat. Maybe the Seafood Shack was my first choice, but we're awfully close to dinner. So I might just grab a snack and then go ahead and go up for the New Year's Gala dinner. We'll go ahead and do that. In the meantime, that's it. We finally got here. We finally got on board. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the room tour.
And so that was that. And then you can see the still pictures here of the different areas of the room. Now, this room as a spa balcony is lists like all these features it's supposed to have. Upgraded bathroom amenities, robes, slippers, a special welcome ceremony, some sort of like scrub kit for the thermal suites, and then unlimited complimentary access to the thermal suites. That stuff was a little disappointing. There was no welcome ceremony. Now, maybe because of having to board the way we did late and stuff, I don't know. Maybe that tied into that. There were never any slippers. We didn't get the robes till maybe like the second day. And part of the in-room amenity kit arrived like on day 5. The upgraded amenities, which was kind of weird. Now, the soap was there and like shampoo and body wash and stuff was there. And that was good. It was cool. But the rest of it wasn't. Never got the scrub welcome kit either. When I went and checked in, they didn't. There was no welcome work. No, oh, you're in one of our spa cabins. Here's this great scrub kit. Welcome aboard. None of that. And then on top of that, my card wouldn't work for the thermal suite. So every time I wanted to go to the thermal suite, I had to go to the actual desk and check in. And then they would take my Sail and Sign card and give me a white plain card that would open the door to the thermal suites, because the first time I went and checked in, they're like, oh yeah, no, your card won't work. It won't? Why won't it work? It's a spa room. Comes with the thermal suite. Why won't it work? Plus, a lot of times I like to leave the thermal suite, go get a drink, and then come back to the thermal suite and relax with the drink. So I would have to stop at the desk again, turn in that white card to get my room card back, go get a drink. Is it the end of the world? It is not the end of the world, and I did still like the room. I did. I still like the room despite that. And the thermal suite was still great despite that too. And I would stay in the room again. It wasn't, but if those are big deals to you, keep that in mind. This is how my experience went with that. And like I said, I disliked the room. The room was pretty, had a nice look to it. And it wasn't that much more expensive, than the balcony room I was going to do anyway. So that's how it went. That's my review of the spa balcony room. Review of the spa later, and more later on. Next episode, New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve dinner, New Year's Eve celebration. Did some recording, with that. And our first sea day on board. It was an 8-day voyage So we had 3 sea days total and 4 port days. The very first day was a sea day. So we'll talk about sea day activities, and stuff like that. The spa will probably figure in there. And I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks for watching.